We're going to learn the names of the main body parts in Spanish. Cabeza means head. Cara or rostro means face. Pelo or cabello means hair. Ojo means eye. We say ojos in plural, meaning eyes. Nariz means nose. Boca means mouth. Diente means tooth, and in plural we say dientes. Oreja means ear when referring to the fleshy outer part of the ear. Orejas in plural. Oído means ear when referring to the inner part of the ear. Oídos in plural. You get earrings in the oreja, but if there's a loud noise, it hurts your oído. Cerebro means brain. Cuello means neck. Hombro means shoulder, and hombros means shoulders. Remember that the H isn't pronounced. Pecho means chest. Brazo means arm, and brazos means arms. Mano means hand. In plural we say manos. And dedo means finger. In plural we say dedos. Piel means skin. Corazón means heart. Estómago means stomach. Espalda means back. Codo means elbow, and we say codos in plural. Pierna means leg. We say piernas in plural. Rodilla means knee, and we say rodillas in plural. Pie means foot. Pies in plural. Dedo del pie means toe. Remember that dedo can also mean finger, so dedo del pie is dedo of the foot. Let's repeat. Cabeza, cara or rostro. Pelo or cabello. Ojo, nariz. Boca, diente. Oreja or oído. Cerebro, cuello, hombro, pecho, brazo, mano, dedo, piel, corazón, estómago, espalda, codo, pierna, rodilla, pie, dedo del pie.